There, Wall Street winners. It is Friday, February 21st, after market close, end of the week. And I hope you came out of this unscathed, or if you use today as a buying opportunity, I do hope the markets recover into next week. We had a pretty bad day across the board today. It was looking like in the early morning session, the NASDAQ might come out in the green, but that quickly disappeared and faded, and everything went red pretty much across the board. The only thing that went green was the VIX because it was going up, the volatility index, because of all the red in the markets. There were a few outliers, but not very many of them. And all of this is based on the angst that is being created by the new administration and particularly the White House and President Trump in the tariff talks and continuous references to these tariffs and their implementation on arbitrary dates, which tend to shift and change. Um, but it is causing it's causing consumers to lose confidence in the market and then pull back on their spending. We saw this in some consumer indicators or numbers out of Michigan today. We haven't had a lot of data on this, but we had Walmart come out this week with their earnings and in their future forecast saying that consumers, and this would be everyone from, we'll call them the demographic low end, low income earners, through to middle class, through to upper class, all of whom can and do shop at Walmart from time to time or frequently, depending on who we're talking about. They're curbing spending. And so that is going to hurt the economy in the US because the US economy is driven by the US consumer. So we'll have to see how things open up Monday. I expect it to be probably a bit of a rocky start to the week Monday, but we'll have to see what happens over the weekend. And hopefully, we'll be able to bring back some confidence to the US consumer and turn the economy around. But that's going to take a little bit of work at this point. So we're probably going to see a continued pullback into next week. We've got NVIDIA coming out after market close Wednesday and a couple of others next week. So that could be enough with some positive forward guidance to turn things around, but it might be temporary. Also talks about the debt ceiling and I think it's 36 trillion the US is in debt, all the things that are going on to try to make some changes to that.